I got 30,000 me right now. Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go. To my cake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a top knot bun tutorial with a bang swoop. The products that you're seeing now will be listed down below in the description box. Right now I'm parting my hair at the side. You want to be careful with how you part it because you don't want to take out too much hair. As you can see, I was trying to slick it down, but it was just not working. So I had a really hard time just trying to slick it down. So you just want to be careful. This step is really important. So please watch carefully. So now I'm just trying to see if it's going to fit my forehead correctly. I'm taking the brush and just trying to swoop it before I try to slick it down. Now I'm going to begin to put my hair in a top knot bun, but before I do that, I'm going to use the pick to pick out my hair so I have more volume. Now I'm going to spray water on my hair so that it will be easy to slick it down. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Eco Styler flaxseed gel to put all over my hair to begin slicking it down. But before I do that, I'm going to use the Got To Be Free Spray to spray all over my hair so it could hold my hair in place so that when I take the scarf off of my head, it won't shift or move anything. And also, when you use the Got To Be Free Spray, I can't talk today. Whenever you use it, it keeps the hairstyle in place for like a week or 4 days. So it's an option. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. So now we're gonna start making the top knot bun. All you have to do is just take a little bit of your hair and just wrap it around until you have the perfect size that you want it to be, and then you use a bobby pin to secure it. So now we're gonna start slicking down the bang. You want to comb out your hair first just to get all the knots out. So now I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel to try to slick it down. You wanna make sure that you keep holding it while you're trying to slick it down. I realized that after I did that, because if I was doing that before, it would have came out better. But you wanna make sure you hold it and use the brush to comb it through and get all the knots out, so when you're trying to swoop it, it will slick down. And as I said before, it was hard for me to slick it down because I took too much hair out, which you're seeing right now. So now I'm gonna take edge control to put at the top of the bang to give it a more secure hold. And then I'm going to take the freeze spray and spray it all over it at the top, not all over, at the top of the bang so it can hold even more. And like I said, if you use the freeze spray, it will keep it in place and it will not move. So this is how it came out. Now I'm gonna take edge control to fix the bang at the front, as you're seeing right now, and then I'm going to do my edges. So now that I'm finished fixing everything, I'm going to take my scarf and tie it around my head so that it can hold everything in place. You want to keep this on for 30 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, so now we're going to remove the scarf very slowly because we don't want the bang to lift up. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, because if you don't, then baby, what is you doing?